Hey guys, Zach here, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna go and purchase some stuff. I'm gonna go and get this wireless mic. As you guys know, I love the shotgun mic, but when I'm doing the car, it's really hard because you know, I have to... Hold on, let me on the light. Car aku nampak gelap macam ciku pula kan. Okay. So with the wireless mic, it'll be much more easier. You know, I can do on the car without actually trying to speak towards the shotgun mic, and I can have the camera far away as well, or at any angle, and you guys can hear me much more clearly. And I have problem with this shotgun mic where sometimes if it moves, the AUX input, when it moves, it creates this very bad distorted sound, and sometimes when I do not plug in properly or the mic is moving a lot, it creates this very bad distorted sound, distortion, sorry. So yeah, let's go check out this wireless mic. And also I might get a laptop. I need a laptop though. I need to start doing my editing. As you guys know, I sold my PC. It breaks my heart, but I have no choice, you know. I stopped streaming as well, guys. For whoever do not know, yes, I stopped streaming and I decided to go full-time on YouTube. So I need something where it's easy and accessible to me anytime, that I can do my video editing or transfer my files whenever I am. So I have a laptop. Well, it's not as good. You can see that? Yeah, that's the Asus laptop. It's very bad condition. It's not bad condition. I mean, condition is perfect because I've only used it like twice, I guess. But yeah, it's impossible to actually do any video editing, so that's why. So let's go check out new mic. All right, so I got the Boya mic. So we couldn't test it because we didn't have batteries, and yeah, I'll probably just go back and do a review. I wanted to do a review there just now, but we couldn't, and there was a lot of people, and I couldn't really do much recording, guys, because you know how with the COVID and everything is so restricted and stuff. So I didn't want to take my mask off and all. So yeah, I'm driving now to Bandar Sunway, PJS11. As you guys know, PJS11 or Bandar Sunway is known for car enthusiasts. Like, there's a lot of car workshop. If you want to build your car, that is where you want to go. So I'm going to head to this place, which is called WRC Lighting. It's an old friend of mine. I think 12 years. Yeah, 12 years old friend. My shop was above his shop 10 years ago. So I'm going to go and see him.
Turn left on
200 meters. Alright, we are getting close, guys. I'm gonna go and collect the headlights. Sorry, no, not headlights, the tail lights. For whoever. What's wrong with this road? Wait. So as you guys know, I got cheated by getting the tail lights from this guy named, you know. I specifically asked him again and double confirm, like, you know, are you sure it's LCI? And he's said yes, because the picture he sent me looks like pre-LCI, but you can't really tell from pictures, you know, because it's all apart and everything. So I was like, are you sure? So I sent him a picture with a LCI tail lights, and like it was on the car and everything. I said, are you sure 100%? He's like, yeah. I called him as well, but when I received it, it wasn't, and I told him I would like a refund. He didn't want to refund after pestering him so many times, telling him like, buddy, you know, come on, it's your fault. You wrote it, it's LCI, you claim it's LCI, but when I receive it and double check, it's not LCI. And he said, okay, let me talk to his boss. And the best part is, after discussing with his boss only agreed to refund 70%. Really? Really, dude? Restocking fee? Come on, it's a used part. And you even claim, you know, okay, I would understand if everything was according to what he wrote was right, everything was right, but I actually did a mistake, and then yeah, I will say, okay, you know what, I will agree to the 70%, you know. But it's not my fault. He's the one that actually got everything wrong, and I'm the one supposed to like get deducted 30% out of it. No, I don't think that's right, man. You know, so I've even filed a tribunal and a police report, and I'm hoping that they will actually, you know, take action as soon as possible. I mean, it's 1,000 ringgit, oh guys, you know, I could have done so much more stuff with it. So hopefully, you know, he gets his lesson learned. Anyways guys, I'm here. Alright, let's go check it out guys. Hey guys, alright, so we are here. Supra lu. Alright, so I'm gonna go and check him out. I don't know if I can access from behind because there's no parking in front always. So let's go check him out. Hey guys, alright, so we are at Super Street. Yeah, that's right. Oh, you can see my car from there. It's kind of cool. So one thing I really like, it says that attention, please wear a mask in this area. Instead of face mask, is written fast mask. Attention, please wear a fast mask in this area. Okay, alright man. Hey guys, alright, I've got the tail lights, woohoo! I don't know if you guys can see it. Yep, there it is in the red plastic bag. So I couldn't really do much recording inside because their policy is you can't take videos and photo while you're inside, which is fine, I respect that, but I really wanted to show you guys, you know, his shop is really nice though. It's really nice. Like when you go in, it feels so elegant, like everything is just so nice, like you want to buy everything though, but I didn't, you know. So I'm gonna head back, and next video guys, I'm gonna be installing the new LCI bonnet, trunk, and also with the new tail lights. Good thing I bought new as well. They come with warranty and stuff like that, and it's brand new, so I'm more satisfied. I mean, I wanted to save the budget because I didn't really wanted cosmetic stuff, to be honest, on the car, but I just wanted to make sure that it looks nice. And while waiting for the PMC adapter and all the other parts to arrive, I thought in the meantime I would do something with the car, you know. But yeah, I tried to make sure that I kept within budget. Like I set aside this certain budget, like okay, this is the amount that I could actually do cosmetics on the car, which now kind of increased a little bit because thanks to, yep, for giving me a wrong